Okay, dear friends, here I have cut it 2 pieces of chocolate cake. Then I warm it up a few seconds. Which is good already. Put on the side. This does not stand this way. Okay, and put some ice cream. It's not easy to make a decent shaped ice cream on the side. And 2 cherries. This chocolate cake does not look shaped so well. 1, 2. I think that is as good as I can make it. For sure, you can make it much better.